Well, today marks 9 years since a deadly windstorm tore through the Lilac City. Some 200,000 people lost power, many of them for days. Yet despite the major challenges, the community came through in a big and in unexpected ways that year for Tom's Turkey Drive.
It will be a day that Spokane talks about for years.
Weather experts say this is one of Spokane's biggest storms of recent memory.
November 17th, 2015. Spokane was a mess. Trees toppled onto houses, power lines dotted roadways, and at one point 200,000 people were without power.
We're hoping every single minute that our power will get back on.
Windstorm was crazy. Many of our folks were camped out in our operations conference room just to power up their devices and to stay warm. We had kids home from school. It was pretty wild to be without power for that long.
When windstorm happened, I usually was doing most of my broadcasts from the store on 29th on the South Hill. That had been closed because of windstorm. And they didn't have any power that week.
Days before the event, Rosar's employees worked to put stores back online. Avista linemen gave their time so that families could spend time together in the warmth. And when store doors opened the morning of Tom's Turkey Drive, something happened that none of us expected.
I had a chance to talk to the store employees, and almost everybody that was in there working that day, most of those people didn't have power.
Thank you so very much.
And yet they still came down to be part of that.
We never wanted for volunteers. The stores were all in. It was almost as if the storm and the discomfort that everybody was feeling really magnified their desire to help.
The windstorm tore through town but galvanized the community. And if character can best be measured during a crisis, well, the community then measured up. Compassion drove a turkey drive through a storm. And on the other side, thousands of people took their meals just as the city was being restored. And they made that year one of the most successful on record for Tom's Turkey Drive.